students, previous class I have discussed regarding the charges. What is electric circuit? What is ammeter? And we have given you the formula, that is N equal to Q by E. My last question was N equal to Q by E. What is that? N is the number of electron, Q is the charge, and E is the charge on an electron. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन के ऊपर 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 कूलम ये चार्ज नेगेटिव हो गई. So this formula I have given you to calculate it. And second formula, we have also done the few questions related to that. Q is equal to I. Q is equal to I into T, or I equal to Q by T. This also we have defined that. What is ampere? What is a current? 1 ampere current. If you ask, it is 1 ampere, 1 coulomb upon 1 second. What is that? If 1 coulomb charge flows through a conductor for 1 second, then we say that 1 ampere current is passed. 1 coulomb charge flows through a conductor for 1 second, it means 1 ampere current is passed. Having 1 ampere current, 1 ampere current passed. Now the children, 1 ampere का definition आप draw कर चुके हो. Now let me discuss the question we have discussed. For numerical we have done it for you. That what is one exercise question? What is electric circuit? It is a continuous closed path. It is a continuous closed path of electric current is called electric circuit, which includes the ammeter, bulb, electrical wires, etc. So it is a, how can you represent the circuit? Electric circuit you can represent like this. It is a battery we are giving. So it is your larger line is positive. So current will flow from positive, will go to the electric. Here you can put the key over here. Then it will go to the ammeter, and then bulb, and it is going like this. So this is your circuit. Well, it is a circuit. The current will flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal via key, ammeter and bulb. Okay. Now this is your negative terminal. But you know that electron will flow. How the electron will flow? That also you try to think of it as well. Now this is your wire. Here electron is moving like this. These are the negative charge. Now where it will move? Where electron will move? The electron will move. Suppose if you are connecting it, and the current will not flow unless you don't do the potential difference, you don't apply it. For applying the potential difference, what you need? You need a cell. You need a battery. Okay? So, now, this is it. Now what happens? This is your plus. For this plus, electron will move in this direction. All will be otherwise, without potential difference, the electron will be in the circuit in all directions. Electron will be in the circuit in all directions. So, to make all the electrons unidirectional, when you apply the potential difference, what happens? All the electrons will move toward the plus charge. Once electron will move toward the plus, then the current will be in opposite direction. So, electron will move to the plus and current will be in the opposite direction. Okay? So, we have applied a potential difference. Here, the cell is doing that. That what is circuit we have discussed, it is a continuous and closed path of electric current is called electric circuit. हमारा दूसरा क्वेश्चन था, define the unit of current. What is the unit of current? Unit of current is 1 ampere. What is that? Second question, unit of current. What is the unit? Second number question is the unit of current. What you can say unit of current? Unit of current, it is 1 ampere. Unit of current is ampere, 1 ampere when 1 coulomb of charge passes through a conductor for 1 second. So this becomes your second question answer. Define the unit of current. Okay, children. Now, and then your current is said to be 1 ampere. You can correlate with the formula 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. You can write it. I equal to Q by T. Okay. Now, third question they are asking once again. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. How can you calculate the number of electrons? They want how to calculate the number of electrons. Now, you see here. Let me write it off. Then I will tell you calculate the number of electrons. Calculate the number of electrons. Now, how can you calculate? Third number question you do. Question number 3. Calculate the number of electrons. Then the formula is N equal to Q by E. Right? It is number of electrons. Calculate the number of electrons constitute 1 coulomb of charge. So your charge is 1 coulomb. Charge is 1 coulomb. Right? And charge on 1 electron. Charge on 1 electron. 1.6 into 1 is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb cancel it. You got 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. अब इसके 10 को ऊपर ले जाओ 10 और इसको हटाओ, यहाँ 10 एक और ऊपर कर दो इसका 100 by 16 into 10 to the power 18. So 100 by 16, how much? 100 by 16 divided, it will become 6.25. 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Right? This is the number of electrons. And the third number question we have done. Okay, children. Now we have completed your first portion of that. We have done the numerical previous class also, and we have covered your 2 page of NCERT. Now let me go into the third page. Here I will deal with the potential difference. Right? Now in potential difference, what is that? Let me discuss it. First of all, we will discuss what is a potential difference. Now try to understand. Let me wrap it off. So we have done all 3 questions. Now potential difference. Potential difference. Electrical potential difference. Now here 7 बच्चों जरा ध्यान देने की कोशिश है. ये हम आपके NCERT के बेसिस पर ही जाने ऐसा कुछ भी हम बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं गए. अब जरा देखने की कोशिश कीजिए आप. इसमें क्या है? ये 2 कंटेनर है, ठीक है. अब इसको कैसे यूज करें? अब ये दोनों में वाटर का लेवल ये वाटर का लेवल है, तो ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है, तो यहाँ वाटर का लेवल यही होगा। अब क्या हो गया कि सडनली आपने इधर का वाटर लेवल बढ़ा दिया, इसके लेवल को अगर जाके कर देते हो तो वाटर का फ्लो किधर होगा? जब तक ये लेवल बराबर था, ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इट विल बी नो वाटर फ्लो, ना इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होगा और ना इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होगा, वाटर का फ्लो रुका हो रहेगा और ये स्टॉप होगा। ठीक है, वाटर विल फ्लो नाइदर साइड, नाइदर लेफ्ट नॉर राइट। Now, if you are increasing the level of the water, means you are creating a difference. When you are creating a difference due to gravitational atmospheric pressure, you see here height is more here less. Water will move in this direction to maintain its height. So, movement of water will be from A to water will be A to B. If your tank is B, A tank and B tank. So water will be towards B. It means we have created a height. We have created a difference in the level of water. So water flows from higher level to lower level. Okay. Now similarly, in current case, we cannot keep that one pole is at higher level, another terminal is at lower level. Like we cannot create a difference such way. So now question comes. We are discussing that electron move only if there is a difference in electric pressure, and that is called a potential difference. Now the difference of the potential may be produced by battery. If you apply the battery in that current के case में the current will flow only when it is connected to a battery. अगर इसे ऐसे जोड़ देंगे कोई करंट नहीं होगा, ना बल्ब जलेगी ना कुछ होगा। आप इसके बीच में एक बैटरी लगाइए। Now you can arrange a battery in series any number. There is no problem. You can increase the number of batteries. This is your plus charges and minus charges. Definitely, if the circuit is on, the current will flow. Right? The current will flow and light will glow. So you have, by using the battery, we have applied the potential difference. Then what is the potential difference? It is the work done from moving a unit charge from one point to another point. It is a work done, potential difference. Potential difference. It is work done moving a unit charge from one point of a conductor to another point. That is called your potential difference. It is represented by V, and its unit is volt. Okay. So now this is your potential difference. It is work done by moving a unit charge from one point to another point. The potential difference V equal to work done B equal to W by Q. Right, girls? B equal to W by Q. Children, now let me do some question on this also. V equal to W by Q. Now what is that? B is equal to 1 volt. You can write it. B equal to 1 volt equal to W, 1 coulomb charge, 1 coulomb upon whatever. So B equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So this is 1 coulomb. So if you do like this, therefore 1 joule equal to 1 volt into 1 coulomb. This is your work. Volt into coulomb equal to joule. You can say joule equal to volt into coulomb. Volt into coulomb. Okay. Now how can you define this? The question is, how can you do the definition of this? By doing that 1 volt. If 1 coulomb of charge, it is a work done, moving in 1 coulomb of charge, and the potential difference of 1 volt, that is called 1 joule, right? That is called 1 joule. Now here, now let me discuss it further. We will do few questions on this and then we will proceed. Now let's see on this potential difference. Few questions will be there, obvious. Potential difference is also measured by voltmeter. Now potential difference between 2 points of a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. 1 joule of work. आपने 1 joule अगर ले लिया, what's the difference? 1 joule of work is done from 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge from one point another. Okay, children, let me do the numerical on this. Then only the concept will come. How much work is done by moving 2 coulomb charge? How much work is done by moving 2 coulomb charge? Question number, your NCERT question 12.2. 12.2. Charge equal to 2 coulomb. They have given you how much work is done by moving 2 coulomb charge across 2 points having potential difference 12 volts. Potential difference 12 volt. Potential difference 12 volt. तो आपके पास फार्मूला है B equal to Q or W by Q. Work. Now they have asked you how much work is done. W they are asking. So W equal to V into Q. And V is how much? 12 volt. 12 volt into Q, 2 coulomb. So 12 into 2, 24 volt into coulomb. And you know volt into coulomb equal to 24. Volt into coulomb equal to joule. Already we did it here. Volt into coulomb equal to joule. So 24 joule is your answer. Okay, now students, let me discuss it. Name the device. Exercise question in text question. Name the device that help to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. Name a device which helps to maintain the potential difference across a conductor. That device will be your battery. Battery can create a potential difference in the conductor. Very clear? Now second question. What do you mean by saying the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? Between the potential, what do you mean by that? potential difference between the 2 points in 1 volt. Potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. Second number question, you can answer it. First question, read it, because simply you can write the battery, and second number question you can do second number question. In-text question, second number. My question is, what is mean by saying that potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? It means the potential that is 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done, if 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. And we say it is a work it is done, then it is a that potential difference is 1 volt. Then we say potential difference is 1 volt. अब इसका डेरिवेशन आपको निकालना पड़ेगा V इक्वल टू W बाय Q. सो 1 volt कब होगा? जब 1 joule of work is done by moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another, that is equal to 1 volt. Okay? Now, third question, discuss it. Children, try to know how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through 6 volt battery. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge? Each coulomb of charge means question number third. Third number question NCERT in text. Charge is equal to 1 coulomb. Each coulomb of charge. Question is how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through 6 volt battery. So volt equal to 6 volt. Right? V कितना है? 6 volt battery. Then they are asking how much energy? W is equal to what? W equal to what? So W equal to V equal to W by Q, and therefore W equal to V into Q. अब V कितना है? 6 volt into Q equal to 1 coulomb equal to 6 volt coulomb equal to 6 joule answer. Okay children, so now my answer will be 6 joule, and we have completed till now. Circuit diagram we will be going for coming class. We have covered all the portions. Okay, now let's discuss. We have covered your NCERT page number 202. Page number 202. Up to this we have covered. We will go to the next class and we will do that. Thank you.